The 8th of October is Indian Air Force Day. But did you know about the 10 best attacking helicopters in the world? Let us know. The American Apache helicopter, AH-64E, is considered the most powerful. India has bought it from the US. The second helicopter on the list is the AH-1Z Viper. Kamov Ka-52 is a Russian attack helicopter. Russia's attacking helicopter Mi-28, and it is the most armored helicopter in the world. Eurocopter Tiger has been jointly developed by France and Germany. Z-10 is a Chinese attack helicopter which has been designed with technical assistance. The Denel AH-2 Royvalk is a South African attack helicopter. It has automatic target detection and tracking system. The Agusta A129 Mangusta is an Italian attack helicopter, and this lightweight helicopter has less armor. The Mi-24 is a Russian attack helicopter. Prachand is the first lightweight attack helicopter made in India. This is the only attack helicopter that can take off and land from a height of 5,000 meters.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.